Yeah, that's a little bit better. So think about this. The torch angle I want to keep pretty close to perpendicular, straight up and down. So you can use your fingers some to manipulate that and keep it constant.
Okay.
Okay, you can turn them some. See my angle this way? That's called your work angle. I want to keep that more consistent. So one thing you can do, let me see the torch, is get that straight at the beginning. Watch what I do with my hand. I'm going to reach back farther. So when I get out here, I'm pretty comfortable still, and I can roll it around. Whereas if I'm all the way down here, I start reaching forward. For me to go any farther, I'm tilting it some, like this, a bind. So where I get my hand set up can make a difference. Yeah. So here my hand is kind of ahead and I'm reaching back at the beginning. Pretty easy to control. But notice that's all the muscles I'm using is I'm rolling off my wrist and my fingertips. That doesn't mean you can't drag your hand across the table, but when you do that, you're very much at the mercy of the friction. So get your hand down there, do a couple more dry runs. Torch closer to straight up and down. Make sure it's where you can see. Also look at your work angle. You know, so you may have to manipulate the torch in your hands to get that a little closer. So your work angle is kind of pointing towards you a lot. What I want you to think about doing is you can slide your hand down, reach back, and see if you can manipulate that and keep it a little bit closer straight up and down maybe. If you have to, you can roll your hand. No, there's no right way, wrong way to do it. So what I'm showing you now is just a quick down and dirty way for you to make a weld that's going to look okay, even though you've never TIG welded before. All right, we're fixing to turn the fire on, see what happens. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Get the tip tucked closer, right about there, and here we go. Now I'll talk to you, get it closer, stay right there, now move forward. Keep on coming. Try to keep that puddle the same width all the way down, move a little faster. Move a little faster if you can. Come towards me, there you go, that's good. Try to stay in the middle, a little farther away, keep moving. You got hung up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. There you go.
That happened a lot faster than